I think this is an innovative method, and it is a very different method when you observe from the different schools. In other schools, what happens whenever language learning, if we see, in the context of language learning, so many teachers practice explaining stories, and whatever there are questions and answers after the story, and they will write in the notebooks, and they will by heart it, and after some time they will reproduce it. And if we see after 10 years also, uh, the student can't develop their language skills. But this is a very innovative method. This is very creative method. In this method, what happens? Uh, uh, Rather than taking only one story, she used modern technology like Amazon app and different apps in the smartphones. In that smartphone, she tried to give them some assignment to search from words. For example, if you take Amazon, in Amazon, if the student want to search, he should be able to type it first. By that typing, he would come to know what is the spelling of the word, and then after by that typing of some word, he will get so many products with different explanations and descriptions. Those descriptions are also belonging to the different products. Therefore, by these different products also, by that word, the student will be able to learn with the single word. They will develop more vocabulary of different words also. By this holistic method, what happens? The students develop more and more vocabulary fast, and moreover, here what happens? Necessity is generated in the form of three things. One thing is searching in the apps. Another thing is students like very much about stories. They build a lot of stories. Suppose if we give a context to develop a story, they will develop automatically. By their imagination, they will give their wings to their thoughts. By their thought provocation, they develop some stories. In the process of developing stories, they have to use some vocabulary. And not only that one, some fun games will be there. Local games are also there. In those local games, this teacher has improvised her thought process. She, instead of using, for example, if you take kabaddi, in that kabaddi, what happens? The student, we are supposed to reiterate kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. Rather than speaking kabaddi, kabaddi, if we give a word, they will utter that one again and again. By that, it will form in the brain of the child, and it will last for so much time in the brain of the child. Therefore, in this process, a lot of vocabulary will be developed among children, and the English language acquisition skills will be developed. And if we see after 1 or 2 years, the students will be very effective in speaking English language with a good vocabulary.
Thank you, sir.